Pleasure meeting you all. My name is Alexei, and one thing I do really good, I specialize in princesses. I have 4 of them. You see them on the screen. Nope, not yet. There we go. We see them on the screen now. I have 4 girls, and that's the inspiration behind the family banking platform that we've built. It's white labeled. It supercharges your youth accounts while maintaining all the deposits with your bank and credit union while you maintain the brand. So today I'll demo the Affinity Plus youth banking solution that's using our technology. I have my own accounts there. This is direct connection to their production core. So as a father, I see 2 of my kids here, Valeria and Victoria, and as I go inside, I see her balances. All of this coming straight from the core of the bank. I can swipe between her savings accounts, spending accounts, and see the transactions. They're all coming real time. And it's important because it means that you're maintaining that relationship with that client. It builds your future sustainability of your bank and credit union. But as you can see, whenever I'm the one sending money to her, it shows it's me. It's from Dad. It's what's food for the cheer girls. Apparently, we had to do that because she's a cheer captain and her team. And as I go inside, I can see the transaction details, but I also see that she liked the transaction, which is, as a father, it's actually great when your kids are thankful to you when they give them money. So she went to H-E-B gas station, got some gas, Starbucks. What you see in here is actually a lot of debit card transactions. And that's what is an amazing, it's a new thing. Like 10 years ago, it still used to be that youth accounts lost money. The youth accounts were not profitable for the bank or credit union. But nowadays, kids use those debit cards. They're using it 20, 30 times a month, which means $10 of interchange makes the whole thing sustainable. And the most important part of that is that as a father and as a financial services industry, what we are providing here is that the kids are learning how to manage checking account. Think about it. It's a foundational skill, money skill that a lot of even adults struggle with nowadays. But she's doing here as a daughter of mine under my supervision. The next thing we have is loans. How do you teach kids about loans? Anyone ever tried to do that? It's really hard. It's very hypothetical for them, theoretical. So with that in mind, we built a feature called Loan from Parent. So as a father, she went to Europe trip with her class. I paid a few $1,000 for that. But I said, honey, you got to have a skin in the game. So you owe me $1,000. I set it up as a 12-month loan with interest and even $1 late fee. Whenever she logs in, what she sees, it feels and looks like a real loan. She's learning the discipline of paying it back over time. She's learning how it feels to have a loan. And that's real explanation of what amortization is. Now that she's learning how to manage checking account, she's learning how to pay off the loan, we can add education as an information. But it can be boring, and it can actually sound like education. So we built money shorts that looks like TikTok-style videos. There's a whole bunch of them. Let's play one of them and watch it together.
Imagine you're at the store getting some snacks that you're definitely not going to sneak into a movie that you're seeing with your friends. You're smart, so you know to check your balance before you buy anything. So you get up to the checkout, and it's $25. So you say to yourself, did I buy organic candy? Quickly, you get out your phone, open the app, and send a request to your mom. Your mom gets that message immediately and approves it. You get the notification, you take out your debit card with confidence, and swipe your card with authority. You've triumphed over a potential embarrassing and lifelong damaging situation, all because you know how to effectively request money.
Does it feel like your grandpa's bank? And as a bank, as a credit union, you can upload your own content in here, which makes the whole banking experience very human, personal, with voice, with personality. All right, the other thing we have, of course, chores. So I can set up a chores, repetitive chores, weekly chores, one-time chores. So right now, she already completed washing a dog, demo for Finovate, family groceries, watch your sisters so mom and dad could go dancing. It's all important stuff. I'm going to get and approve all these chores, transfer money. All of it happens on a core right away. There's connections through the API, and as come back up, money instantly rolled up to her account. No payment trails, money never left your FI. You just transfer from the parent's account to the kid's account. And that's actually the important part. These kids' accounts, they're not sub-accounts. They're not accounts on someone else's core. It's all on your core of your FI. And the beauty of that is that when they age out, when the kid turns 18, and there's, hopefully some of them will say at 18, but whenever they're ready to become adults, they said, parent, peel off. And as the parent peels off from this joint account, the account number for the kid doesn't change. The debit card doesn't change. Some of them already have direct deposit. There's no friction. They just stay as the customer of your bank or as a member of your credit union. And all of that, as you can see right away here on the core. And I did see she asked for money, so apparently we have a deal that I'm paying for first guess of tank of gas. So I'm just going to approve that transaction too, so that maybe she'll send me some more hearts. Here it is, Dad, first tank of gas. Savings goals and card controls. There's more features to show, so definitely stop by at our booth. We're on the 5th floor today and tomorrow. But if you think about it, the main purpose of all of this is to eliminate the fear of the future in the next generation. As the leaders in the financial industry, what is the legacy we leave into the next generations? It's not the money, it's not the things, it's only how well we prepared them. How well are they prepared to be an adults, to live in a world of finances? And what you saw today is that this technology, what empowers your bank or your credit union to be hero to local families, empowers those kids to learn by doing, by practicing. And that's what's eliminate the fear, because they have the confidence that they've done it already. So thanks, everyone. I appreciate your time. It's a pleasure presenting to you. It's a privilege. Thank you.